Crimson Ghost here.
Brief history on Crimson Ghost. Crimson Ghost was a serial back in the that would play before or maybe after movies. That's where the Misfits got their logo from, is from the Crimson Ghost. You should check it out for yourself. It's a really cool movie.
Under my influence, you will relinquish your willpower and become my slave.
There is a link below, by the way, where you can buy one of these. This is just really, really well done. It looks just like the Crimson Ghost, the Misfits logo. I've loved the Misfits since I was a kid. When I saw this, I just had to have it. So let me tell you about this. A long time ago, back in the day, me and my friend Paula Cass, RIP, set out to make one of these masks, and we did it out of rubber latex. Now, Paul knew how to do this, and he had a whole system, and we spent like days just kind of sculpting this thing, and it was really hard to sculpt. It was really hard to get it to look good, and we got it looking really good. We painted it up really cool. We airbrushed it, and when I saw this, I was like, I gotta have that. But as I am artistry nutty-gillies, I cannot leave anything alone. I have to customize it. So I got me some rubber latex, link below, and a set of brushes. So what I'm gonna end up doing is we're gonna take this and we're gonna texture it with rubber latex and gauze. Then I'm gonna paint and airbrush it to make my own custom Crimson Ghost mask. I want to make it look more fiendish, more ghoulish, and more real. It looks cool as it is. It looks amazing, but I gotta customize it. I gotta make my own. So today we're making how to make your own custom Crimson Ghost Fiend mask a la Misfits. So we're going to use this roll of gauze, we're going to use this rubber latex, links below, and I got some old brushes. I'm not sure what I'm going to use yet. I found some old ones that I don't really care about, and we're going to use that to paint on the rubber latex. We're going to put some gauze on there, and we're going to make it really cool, so let's check it out.
DirtyDonny.com.
I'm looking for blacklight posters.
We got all the blacklight posters here at DirtyDonny.com.
You guys got stickers?
You got stickers.
Hi there, sailor.
I'm really funny. Ha 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 ha.
Have you been living under a rock?
Mini posters are in. Mini posters are 20 bucks each. They are 16 by 12 inches big.
$65 for the whole set.
When I got my mini posters, I told 2 friends, and they told 2 friends, and so on, and so on.
Mini posters.
You get them in the outer space webs of the internet, guys, on DirtyDonny.com.
Guys, we got t-shirts, we got stickers, we got posters, we got everything you need.
It is located in the outer space on the wide worldwide interwebs.